Ngayon ko lang to napag-isip-isip. Love yourself when you're making mistakes. Love yourself sa mga bagay na hindi ka magaling pa. Love yourself kapag beginner ka pa lang. Love yourself or love the version of yourself na is starting to do things that are new to her. Because wala naman perfect eh. Huwag mo lang mahalin yung sarili mo dahil nagawa mo yung tama. Huwag mo lang mahalin yung sarili mo dahil you think that's the best and you think that needs to be done. Love yourself in your lowest point. Kasi yun yung magiging way para mas maging strong ka sa life. Right now, kanina lang, I just watched my video dancing, which is, I know I'm not that good at dancing, but habang natitingnan ko yung sarili ko sa salamin, sabi ko, I will try to love myself in this not so good, kasi usually yung mga magagaling lang yung minamahal. Try to love yourself at your lowest point, kasi kung hindi mo mamahalin yung sarili mo sa mga times na mahina ka o sa mga times na hindi ka yung pinakamagaling, you will lose yourself and you will just stay in that version. Love yourself so you can be the best version of yourself. Oh my God, nakakaiyak ng message na to.